Okay, I'm going to show you something that's very important. When grades are recorded as incomplete in Schoology, they do not get marked as zeros. Same is true for Infinite Campus. So here you can see this student has turned in all assignments. So this grade is going to be accurate. Same with this student. Now look here, this student is missing one thing. So when it comes time to grade at the marking period, this get entered as a zero. Now, luckily, that student only has one missing assignment, so their grade stays a zero since something gets dropped. But let's see what happens to this student who had 100. Now it's the end of the marking period. I enter zeros. That grade changed to a 32. Let's see what happens here to this student who had 100, now has a 50. This student had a 100, now has a 50. This student missing no work, missing no work. These next three, missing no work. Let's try this one. Put in that zero, okay? That grade only went down to a 91, so not as big of a change. But you can see how dramatic your grades can change when those zeros are entered. So you are going to have to be careful and check for all those incomplete.